Hey guys, so today is the 24th of February, which is my 3 months update. So I'm going to pull this out and then I'm going to show you my length check. Basically what I've been doing is just putting in braids and greasing it with the same formula that I made the other day. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So stay tuned.
My heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither, nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibility.
Alright, so this is it. Dirty one to wash and everything. So I'm going to wash it now. Yeah, kind of gross. Would you believe me? It's just 2 weeks. Like less than 2 weeks I put in that. I guess that's the growth dandruff or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Look at that. Last time it was right here, I think. So it's come from here to here, to all the way down to London's Bridge. So I'm gonna wash it.
Ooh, baby, it's like the world is on our side. Nothing can bring me down tonight. And ooh, baby, when we're together, you and I, your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, hey, I got a brand new love. You take me away, girl, to a new level. It's 7 on earth, on earth. I found an angel among us. Ooh, found an angel. Ooh, baby, people would travel far.
So I'm going to do a voiceover because I thought it was recording and it was not recording. So here are 2 videos comparing from November until now, and as you can see the hair growth and the hair length, the differences in the hair length. And what I've basically been doing is using protective styles and the hair serum that I made 6 months ago. So you can go and check that video out and possibly make it for yourself. And I was also saying that I love the thickness of my hair. I am happy that I cut it, because when I had my normal natural hair without doing the big chop, it was a bit thin, but I love the thickness of it, guys. For the time that I fluxed my braid, it actually peeled out my edges, and I started using the hair serum and it started to glow back, as you can see. But that's it for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video. Bye.